Who? Me? I hear is no. I thought it's me. Recharge na ako. Kaya mo mag-drive ulit?
Pare, apa nga yung kumari? Should have seen by looking eyes, baby, there was something missing. We should have known by all my bones, baby, that you didn't listen. You played dead, but you never left. Instead you gave me still like you. every word I said that I love you. I meant that I love you forever. And I'm gonna keep on loving you, 'cause it's the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna sleep, I just wanna keep on loving you. I'm gonna keep on loving you, 'cause it's the only thing I wanna do. On every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sa may luha. And then every evening until midnight, I couldn't sleep tight because I'm longing for you. Because I'm longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, hindi ka dumating. Lumagpas ang Marso, I've been waiting for you hanggang Abril. Sumapit ang Mayo, ako'y nalulungkot nung piyesta sa atin. Pagkat ika'y wala, di ka nakapiling. Lumipas ang Hulyo, Agosto ay wala ka pa rin. I've been longing for you, my heart is aching. I cannot wait longer, I'm always crying. If you cannot come home, I'll look for another. Hirap kasi ng nobya kong sexy dancer. Buhat na mag-abroad, nakalimutan na ako ang kanyang boyfriend. Ang mga sulat ko, hindi niya pinapansin. Tagal na nag-abroad, nasa Olongapo sa isang beer garden. Hanggang nag-September, hanggang nag-October, ika'y wala na. Ang paghihintay ko sa'yo, darling, ay wala ng pag-asa. Hanggang nag-November, hanggang nag-December, muli nagpasko na. I'm still waiting for you, darling, nasaan ka? Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Hunyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, Disyembre, come back to me. In every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sabay ang luha.